babes. Morning.
No morning. Where they go so early?
I look so much and go farm.
They are the farm business, no man. You don't say you annoy me with the farm thing. Every day I get up and one time a man you want to get up left me in a bed. I wouldn't mind and I come back.
Yeah, that yes, man. You know you love me. Okay, yeah.
Alright, not even one day you can't stay with me. Go find a substitute. Babes, morning. You can't call link me, cause such man gone in her right now. My body no feel good, I want you.
Yes, sir, girl.
Yeah, man.
Give me a couple minutes. Me I come.
Alright. Hold a shower.
Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Come here, my babes, you know, let me away from you.
Yeah, wait too. See how go on.
Get us a come down this.
Go buy now one level. I wonder what my little pussy cook, you know.
What? No, wait. Hold on. Leave the man alone. Leave the man alone. I think something can't love to me says. Every day you get up and go out there.
Hey, come out of the way.
Leave the man alone. You better go make love to your banana to you, man. You make them. I'm tired of you now. And me just can't go deal with this no more. Me not think me I go deal with this no more. So if you want to kill the man, you go kill the man. Cause me I go leave this place.
I see you, boy. Catch you. Chop off piece of hair. Huh? Hey.
I left out of this place. This is no life, nobody live. When you get up much o'clock in the morning, you get up and you gone left me. And you come in when you feel like food for cook, clothes to wash. Come out of this.
Where you go?
I'm not staying here.
What problem?
You mean what problem? Are you a problem?
What mean say me a the problem?
You get up from much o'clock in the morning. You don't even care about me. You don't care about
so
my
feelings. So I have to go a bush to look food for me, you?
You
You see that now go on?
Food.
You see that now go on?
What kind of food?
Much time you see country lockdown, me have to go out, me have to plant up some food. I know, watch it. You have money in the farm. Look at you now, go nowhere.
What is now?
So this a call?
What is now?
You
need to leave, you know.
This a call for?
You soon find out if this call for. You soon find out if this call for.
You not go nowhere.
Just relax yourself.
Look here.
Just relax yourself.
Look here. You not go nowhere. Huh? And who you call? Huh? Yeah, I care about you.
You don't
I
care
care
about
about you.
me. If you care
What you
about me,
want
if
to
you
do? What you
care
want
about
to
me,
do?
let me leave. Because it don't make no sense. Me can't deal with this no longer.
So you gonna left me?
And you mean if
Eh?
something I gonna leave you?
I say you gonna
You left me in my bed every morning. So just think about that. Every morning that God say, not even 5:30 good. You're gone. You get up and leave me. See me walking out of your life. Please, leave me
Please,
alone.
baby, please.
No waste, man.
Please, man.
I'm not your man. Yeah, babes, where you there?
You know somebody run on the road.
Right now, wait for me, you know, because I come at your foot.
When you come, carry me my slippers and the bag and the shirt. Alright, me wait for you.
Alright then, cool. What is that waste, man? Watch him. Watch him. Look him. Go back on him.
Baby, come back.
Come back to what? Me come back for leave.
No.
And the man stuff them me come for. You come like say you prisoner, me say no. You run no man with my plate. Eh?
Me not chop him up. Me not chop him up, please. Don't leave. Don't
Nah,
leave.
chop him up. Take up the man things them and leave. Alright.
Yeah.
Me done with you, you know. Me say. Me disappointed in you, man. Disappointed. You know, love off of me, man. You're waste, man. I'm done with you. I'm done. You're alright. Look at you.
Ah, go on.
You reach one that's so fast, too.
You mean, man, I can't make him man chop me up.
Well, you know, easy.
Slippers there.
You're a little farmer, man. You order something there. You done with him, you know? I'm going to think me I go back up there, so. You have your fine place to put me.
Thank you. Hey, look, my boy could not kill me.
Easy.
So your friend, when we come and see me, you know?
A big things in there going with the fire.
How me gone? You know, do nothing though.
You mad?
Oh.
He love me. He never want me to leave. At least we don't have to play no more hide and seek here.
You mean, man, I'm all only living.
That me want you.
Well, alright. Make yourself at home.
Of course.
Alright.
I don't mind. I take off my slippers then.
Alright.
Just pull them out.
Alright.
You have all the time we want now.
You mean, man?
That me a talk about.
Long time. You mean?
Hello there, sir. Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray. Hello, Mr. Gray. Yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
I am from the Agriculture Department, Jamaica Agriculture Department, and we get your request that you needed some help in your farming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is a package of $2.5 million, and this is to help you get a little transport. So when you farm your product, you can bring it to the market and sell and feed your family. So please use this money wisely and don't waste it, okay?
You're talking this, all this money is for me, sir?
All this money is yours. Andrew Walnut sent me. We see the video that you put up and it got viral, and he said to send some funds to you. So please spend with caution. Don't squander it.
You
Don't
sure
go
you're
to
not
Negro.
scamming me or anything?
I'm not scamming you, sir. Just leave the beach and do the farming. Buy some hog, some goat, all of those things, and have a nice day. Okay, Mr. Gray? Remember, get a little transportation
Sir,
to help you in the farm.
I don't know how to.
You don't have to thank me, man. Thank Mr. Andrew Olnett, okay?
All of this time, all of this time that I'm praying for just finally come true. God, thank you.
So why I stress you? Me never expect this, you know. From morning, nothing to eat. Oh God. Me must never think about my farmer man, you know. Look how me put myself in now. Just look. Just wait till he come here. He say don't get her from this. And I come like a some joke. Me never expect in my life, yeah. Life for do your man. Jumping off frying pan and you come.
Yeah, man.
So you can't eat.
Wow, you know, so I go up on the road and I get nothing to eat.
So you're not easy, so you expect me to see you hungry all the time, but then I wait for you. Eh?
You know, so I go up on the road and I'm sitting there. The woman, give me some money in human time, you don't give me the money. I'm in the office and nothing and go on, so I just come up and make it.
Every day, me not understand no. Me not understand no man. Me not understand no. You know, you take me care, me come in here, so we can't live them my life here. You know, used to it.
Couple days, we go a bit without food, so me worry upon it, man.
Me I go back to my yard, you know. Me I go back to my yard. Cause me not go live so. Me not go live so. Me I go back to my yard. You know, me I stress and pressure. I mean, I mean, me no business you will take me back. Yeah, alright, you know. Cause you come like say you want people live in a property. Me not live so. Me I go back to my man. Go change. You alright?
Alright, if you see so.
My poverty life, I mean, I live. Me, I go back to my money. All right.
All right. Take care. Babes, you can't forward now, you know. Me alone there, yeah? Alright, me over here that wait.
Like someone is sick in my head. I'm going to violate me and I can't go back to my good man. What is? Korea. Come in, man. Open the door.
Just a second here, please.
Hurry up.
How are you going?
Me come back, you know. Me come back. Things not work out.
Come back where?
I put the vehicle out this one.
It's mine.
What you say to me?
Mine, man. After you left, get one little piece of money, you know? Try investing.
So you not even call me. You not even tell me nothing. You not even know what go on for me. At least trust me, I go and try the man and disrespect me. You not even care about me nothing. Me come back still. Me come back. Me hope you have fine in the yard if I give me because I have nowhere else to go.
Mommy always love you, though. Me tell her from the start that me love you. But it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be a hard one for me.
What could I hard so? What could I hard so? You don't understand what me that go through with. You don't understand what me that go through with. You just take it. You just leave me and make me just. You just make me just do it. And you make me do it. And you cause everything.
So you feel say you move on, me not to move on, though.
Nobody can live in this house here. Me come back. Nobody can live here so.
She's not there right here now, but
She oh.
move on.
She
Move
oh.
on, but
She oh. Open the door and
if I need help or anything like that, me
No,
tell
no, I
somebody else
come in.
to-
No, I come in.
Kinda have one little ketchup on the side.
Gray, me not expect for you to push my waist on a gray. I don't expect for you to push my waist on gray. After all we've been through, Gray, you're wicked to me. You're wicked. God know you're wicked to me.
How much money you need, Dar?
Just give me what you give me and make me go on. Because you not even know how me shame for you to come back up here. So. Come like there's something wrong with you. You can't just make things work out. Look how me love you. Look how me come back to you. Look how much man there when me could have gone
Here,
to.
take everything. Take everything.
Give me. Got me deserve it. You don't miss me. But me God. Again.